Hello guys, it's Aboys. Today we're doing how to make a clicker game part 2. Okay, so let's get in. So today we're going to be making the upgrades and the multipliers for the clicks. So we're going to make a new sprite. Then make this thing blue. Then make a blue thing here. Then we're gonna name this shop. Okay. Now we're gonna paint another costume. Then we're gonna put this blue thing all the way here. Then you have to go when green flag is clicked. Switch costume to costume 1. When this part is clicked, switch costume to costume 2. Then we want it to go to 31. Okay, now let's test it. So we're just clicking, press this. Okay, now it's good. But we have to make a way to exit the shop. So we're gonna make another sprite. Okay, we're gonna type in close because we want the shop to close. Oh no. Okay. Make another sprite. Then bring close over here. Okay. Then we can delete this. Okay. So it's gonna go to the top. So when I receive, go to top. You want it to go right here, so right there, so go to this position. Go to that position. When this sprite clicked, broadcast, stop. When I receive, stop. switch costume to costume 1. Now let's see. Hold on. When green flag is clicked, hide. Then we're gonna put show and show. Okay. Okay guys, so we made the shop, but the shop button keeps moving over here. So hold on. Put this here. Okay. Yes, now we have the shop. But when green flag is clicked, set ghost effect to like 25. $35. Okay, well, it's working. Now let's make the things inside of the shop. Since it's suns, let's create a new sprite. Now let's take sun and let's name it sun multiplier. Auto click. So this is going to be sun multiplier auto click. Just clicked. Set size to 20. How about 30? 40? Okay, that's good. So when green flag is clicked, we want it to hide. Then we're gonna go to shop, then we're gonna make it broadcast. It's gonna broadcast com. So when this right here receives com, we want it to go right here. Then show. Show. And real quick, let's go to the costume. Then cost 50. Hold on. Okay, sun auto click cost 50. So now let's test it out.